So I'm gonna have you come away from the couch slightly.
Okay.
Just pick, yeah, and then come forward a little bit. There we go. Okay. Okay, good. We got that. Yeah.
Oh, no. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay. Fun. Do you like the idea of having some baskets?
Maybe we don't need this in this shot.
Okay.
Yeah, the baskets
Okay.
are good as long as they're not a distraction.
Just put it here. Okay.
Should
Okay.
I look?
You're gonna look at me.
Okay.
I'm gonna see, do you wanna have this piece of hair back? Do you wanna do one, like half back, half forward? Love it. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm gonna have you come away from the couch slightly.
Okay.
Just pick, yeah, and then come forward a little bit. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So let's put your hand on this knee, and yeah, it's gonna be more like portrait. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Gonna bring your head up slightly. There we go. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Lots of 1, 2, 3s. Let me see. Just gonna dial in. Let me see where we are. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have you come. Hold on. Cute. Okay, these are looking great. All right, go to your computer again, like you're working from there. Yep, you can pick your knee up slightly, like have it, there we go. 1, 2, 3, nice. Working away on the ground. All right, keep going. Okay, now pretend that you are like typing. So move your fingers around. You don't have to look up or anything. Separate your hands. Like when you're naturally typing, you're always like one hand is always above and it just looks better on the picture. So maybe like that height. There we go. Nice. You're killing it. Look at this. So cute. Is there anything on there? Nope. Okay, that's fine. All right, so now I'm going to pepper in. Can I put a paper?
Yeah.
Paper out here. All right, let me look through these a little bit. If you, they're adjusting. Let me see the paper design. Oh my gosh, these are so great. So are you presenting these like this, or are you doing this online with your?
Usually I'll send it to them and then I'll meet with them in person to go over it.
Oh my gosh, this is so great. Okay. So are you liking those, like portrait? Okay. And these are like,
That one, that's really cool.
okay.
That angle.
Star this. Keep going. You can see I kind of played with that and then got the baskets in more, kind of on that last one.
Yeah, I think that's great.
Yeah, these are so cool. Okay. All right, so then we'll kind of do that again. That's where we were in this angle shot. Okay, so go back to typing again. I'm going to focus on this, but you're in the shot, so we know that you're working away. Okay. I'm going to focus on the paper, but you're going to be blurred out. Always be smiling, even though you're not in the shot.
Maybe switch this.
Okay. Ooh. Can you grab that, go like you're going to be looking at, grab these again like you're going to go grab one to look at. Okay, keep going. Nice. Okay, those are super cool. Now let's have you looking at one of these. gosh, you're good. Okay, see right there. That looks awesome. All right, look at me. All right, look at Rayanne. Yay! Now, Rayanne, if you weren't here, I'd be like, look over on that wall and laugh. Oh, isn't it so funny? Yeah. Oh, that's good. Lift it up a little bit higher. I'm trying to block my camera. Okay. Good prop. Oh, this is good. All right.
iPad now?
Yeah. I'm going to move that gold. I'm going to put containers. Use your props to your advantage. This is what we're going to do. There's no camera back there. Okay, of course I can't see you in the shot, but that's okay. Nice. This looks good. Okay. See, you already know. Always be smiling. Okay, we got those. Okay, lots of fun angles on this one. This is, I mean, I can always edit that out, but I think that's super cute. Just having like the home environment too in this studio is nice.
Right.
Let me show you, like when, so you're doing the working shots like this, but then I loved how everything is, you have all the different elevations, concept boards. You can talk about all the different layers that you provide them. So this is a great like working shot, and that's when I was like, always keep smiling, because even though you're there, it's like, so these I think will work well with the website too. And when you're speaking of your process on social, yeah. So then this is when I had you started moving the sheets. It just gives some action to the images. Look at that. The elevations just really pop.
That's cool.
Then for the iPad, I just need to move around because you can see we have that glare from the outdoors. So I just moved so then we could see it overhead. Okay?
Cool.
Feel good about those?
Yep.
Okay. Okay. Just set like your feet. Because you know there's always containers nearby, right? All right. So I'm going to have you either looking at this wall or looking at this light. So we'll see which way. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Is what?
Good thing the light isn't glaring.
Okay, good. Okay, look to the wall. Let me see more dramatic, like almost 90 degree. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Cute. All right, look to the light. Look, maybe look down like midway, like here. There we go. All right, now look at me. All right, now look to the iPad. Okay, I need your eyes a little bit higher. Cute, there we go. Okay, go all the way to the wall again, like 90 degrees. And have your head a little bit, there we go, parallel. Look straight ahead. Look up a little bit higher. There you go, I can see your message already. Okay, good, we got that. Yeah.
Oh, no. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's cool.
So you'll probably maybe crop it a little bit more, but at least you have something to like play with. You don't have to have your full, but then all that text right there. You can list how we work together. Boom, boom, boom.
I love that.
3 organizational tips for you. You know, you could use this so many different ways. I was just trying to get your, like,
Yeah.
where does it work? Because you think of the end goal, how am I going to use this?
Yeah.
So some of these you could still use. I had you look straight on, so it could be another portrait. You can kind of crop this in, just as something fun. But, okay, I feel like we got that. That was
Cool.
that's that one. At the end. Here we go. The final one. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice, there it is. We'll
always
star
fun
this
where I'm
one.
laughing.
I know. And
the most
people will like connect with that too.